And yes, I give away $100 funded account to one of you. I will get back to that later in the video, how you can be a part of it. And no, you can't just copy paste something. There will be a special code I will give for you for how you're going to give the comments so you can be a part of this competition. We'll get to that sooner. Also in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm trading and how you actually can copy me here at Pocket Options. So you can get to all that in this video. So now let's just go to the trading account. Let's push here. Let's see. It looks like I have social trading active. We don't want that. Let's make sure we stop that. Let's stop. We can't copy these fools. They don't make us money. Okay, let's continue. So let's go back to trades there. So how do I trade? If you just trade every support and resistance, you will make zero money with the binary option. You need to choose, like here, I see nothing I like. Let's go to, if you let us, go here. Okay, here's another case. Here is actually money. What I do basically, I look for the support resistance. I check we don't have a trend. Trend can be that it's going downwards, I can draw a trend line and then come to a squeeze, nothing like this here. So here we see 1, 2, 3, 4. We would have won all this. So this line here will be a good place to take trades. So every time this bar comes down to this region here, I will take it. And this is actually how you can copy me also. I trade live on this broker, and yes, every time when this bar comes down here, I will just go in. And this is very easy. When I do this in live, I will mark it like this, and you can easily follow me. But not only that, I do give signals in Reddit. I will say around 60% of all my signals is posted there. Then I also post in Telegram. All links are below the video, by the way. I post maybe 40 to 50% of the signals in Telegram. And of course, when you trade live with me, you get all of them. So you don't get all the signals in the signal groups, but you get most of them. Reddit is the best one. So if you're going to choose one to join, if you don't want to trade live with me, just jump over there and you can trade with me. I trade every single day, by the way. Now to the what you all have been waiting for. By the way, before I get to that, make sure you join me with Pocket Option. It's very cool. I don't have so many people following me here yet. Join me, let's trade together. I trade on this broker and I trade on this broker. That's the two brokers I'm using when I'm trading. Where I'm going to give the $100, you ask? That is for this one. And it will be a funded account for you. How this will work? Make a new account, will be the first link that you find below the video. Make a new account for this broker. Just register, finish everything, and if everything goes well, you win, you get $100. Now, how can be a part of it? Yes, first of all, register. Second of all, make a comment. Now, the comment you do for this is you have an email, right? Or no, let's not take the email. Yeah, let's do the email. The email you register for IQSense, put the first letter with big letter, can be like F, M, N, whatever it is, and space, and then tell me why you should win. Do that. So the email you used to register for IQSense, take the first letter, space, and tell me why you should win. Because then I know that you see to this part of the video and you are in the competition to win. If you just write, I want to be in the competition, no, you're not a part of it. You need to put the first letter of the email that you did use to register for IQSense through my affiliate link, and then write why you should win. So let's do like that. So $100 to one of you. Here also I trade every single day, by the way. So make sure you join my signal service. Like I said, we are in Reddit, we are in Telegram, or if you want to see my screen while I'm trading, sign up for that also. All of this is below the video. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next video.